earlier that day.
Today we are going on a hike. I'm going to visit a local farmer's farm. The trail begins, as you can hear. I'm so excited. The terrain is a little rough, but I can handle it. Oh my God! It's the first time I've ever seen banana ripe on a tree.
Wow! I saw them ripe when they bust, man.
I'm so excited. Find ripe banana in the wild. Naturally, organically grown.
No fertilizer.
No fertilizer.
No spray.
No spray.
A few moments later.
I think that banana was bad. I can handle it. I'm so excited. Big up for me, watch it till the end. If you like it, tell a friend. Don't forget to hit the bell. Subscribe and come again.